Okay, this is version 4 of the wood splitter. I didn't know, every time I jump into a new subject and I don't know anything about it. And this is a 3-phase motor, around 3000 RPM. This was before, this is a gear that turned this 3000. Previously it was 1 to 7.5, or I asked for 1 to 10 ratio, but he gave me 1 to 7.5. It doesn't matter so much, and it lowered the turning from 3000 to less than 300. Okay, now while lowering the RPM, it increases the torque by 10, but it was not enough. So I asked him to change the gear to 1 to 30. It means nearly 4 times, 1 to 7.5, which was here before. Now it's 1 to 30. It's 4 times slower and around 4 times more torque. Now what happens is that whenever the motor is stuck with such a hard wood like this one or this one, it asks for a lot of current, and this regulator that takes 1 phase and turn it to 3 phase can handle up to 8 amperes. This motor nominal current is 5 ampere, but whenever there is a strong necessity for torque, it takes more and more amperes, and when it passes the 9 or 10 amperes, this device stops to protect the motor and protect the device. I will turn it on now, so it can handle the easiest part of the wood, like this side, but in the middle it cannot split it. Same is here. It asks for more current, and then the regulator halts. Let's see it in action. So now it's in forward. I will turn it to backwards just for the cone to rotate to the right direction. Then I hit run. This is how it runs. Now it takes 3.5 amps. That's the maximum. And once there is a very big torque over there, it passes the 8 amps and this device halts. I'll change it to frequency. Now it's the maximum 65 frequency hertz. I can turn it lower and lower as much as I want. For example, now it's on, for example, 17 hertz. This is how it goes. But still, it's not enough. It cut a few a part of the wood, but not the main middle. I will show you. Now there is a hole, so I can hold it in one hand and then leave it to turn. I will take it, I will stop it, take it backwards. Here it says forward, but actually it turns for the cone, it's backwards. I'll run it for a short time and stop it. Now from this location I will take the maximum frequency 65 and turn the screen to amps. Now it's 0 amps because it's not working, and then I turn it and see what happens over here. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to turn it to the reverse direction, which is forward over here. You see? And it says error. I will stop and let's see how much current it draws. First I will turn it to the other side slowly and stop. Turn it again and see how much current it draws on the maximum. We couldn't see it even. Anyway, this machine have to have a lot of torque really a lot of torque. Maybe after a few times like this it will crack, but meanwhile it's not working. Let's take it out again. So more or less this is how the machine goes. This is version 4. Actually it has a lot of torque, but not enough for these pieces of wood, these pieces. Anyway, thank you for watching.